This is boAt Airdopes 120. It has quad mics, IWP technology, in-ear detection, and a lot more things. But before we get to that, let's unbox. Before unboxing, details will be in the description, more about that at the end. Here's the box. It is a nice medium-sized box, not too small, not too big. Premium finish, combination of glossy and matte feel. It has a preview of the earbuds case, has boAt branding and says Airdopes 120 in the corner. It also has highlights towards the bottom, playtime 40 hours, in-ear detection, quad mics with ENX technology. On the side, it says #do what floats your boat, their regular slogan on most of the products. On the bottom, there's pricing and other information. On the back, there are highlights and some more information. Now let's unbox. First, we have the case itself. Inside on the container, it says Live the Sound. Next, we have small envelope. Again on the envelope, it says Live the Sound. These are followed by two accessories boxes. Now let's put the main box aside. In the accessories box, there is Type-C charging cable and extra ear tips. The small envelope has boAt sticker and some documentation. Now back to the case. Once I remove the cover, this is how the case looks like. Now let's have physical overview. The case has a glossy finish and it is very smooth to hold. On the front, there is boAt branding, an LED indicator and a groove to open the lid. On the bottom, there is Type-C port and it is flat on the bottom, so it will be easier to stand on its own. On the back, there is a reset button that you can barely see. Rest of the sides, it is plain. Once we open the case, we can see the earbuds. Inside the lid, there is some information. These are the earbuds and they look nice. They have the same glossy finish and smooth texture just like the case. Both earbuds are identical, so on the stem there is LED indicator, which is the touch area. Below that there is boAt logo. On the front there is ear tip. Inside there is metal finish speaker grill, which looks nice, and a small cutout or a hole beside the ear tip, mostly a sensor. And there is L and R markings on the respective earbud. On the back of the earbud there is another cutout, slightly bigger than the front one, and on the bottom there are charging pins and a mic. Now let's look at the specs. It has 40-hour playtime, IPX4 sweat and splash resistance, 10mm driver, boAt signature sound, Bluetooth 5.3, and it comes with ASAP charge, which gives 60 minutes playback in just 5 minutes of charge. This also comes with features like in-ear detection, beast mode, IWP technology, and it comes with quad mics with ENX tech. Now the case weighs 43 grams and each earbud weighs 3 grams. Now the case without the earbuds weighs just 35 grams. Now let's look at pairing. Just open the case and it enters pairing mode. It will appear as Airdopes 120 on the phone. Tap on it and it is paired. It is pretty simple. This also comes with boAt's IWP technology, which is Insta-Wake and Pair. So once it is connected to a device, as soon as you open the case next time, it will auto-connect to that device. Always a handy technology to have for earbuds. Now let's look at the review. Starting with build and design. It has smooth and plain texture, a glossy finish, and it is a very minimal design. The case we have is an ivory white color, so it is very minimal, it looks good. Now the case is very light to hold. Even in pockets, it doesn't feel heavy at all. The earbuds are also pretty light in weight. In ear, they are so light that you can wear and forget them. They have a very comfortable fit, and even if you shake your head, the earbuds won't fall out easily. Seriously, ear tips feel very soft in ear, feels pretty nice to wear. Like this is a very noticeable difference I saw compared to other earbuds. I listen to music, podcasts, and I have scrolled through social media listening to things, and the first thing I noticed was audio is pretty crisp. Even at the highest volume level, there is no distortion. The highs, mids, lows are well balanced. As for bass, it is not punchy. It is subtle and nice. So for bass lovers, this might not be something you're looking for, but overall, it gives a very nice sound experience. This comes with quad mics with ENX tech, so the call quality is pretty nice. Both parties can hear clearly, there is no problem in signal reception or range of Bluetooth. Ambient noise is also minimal, so overall it is pretty usable. To conclude, this comes with a 40-hour playtime with in-ear detection, IWP technology. It has quad mics with ENX tech. It has an IP rating of IPX4 splash and water resistance, and it also has ASAP charge, which will give you 60 minutes of playback with 5 minutes of charge, which is amazing. This is launching on 27th March, that is today, and it has a special launch price of $899. Yes, $899 only. But that's just for one day, so hurry up and buy it on Amazon and boAt Lifestyle website before it goes to $1199, which is still very low than what I expected it to be. So for all the features Airdopes 120 offers, it is priced very nicely. So I'll recommend you to go check it out right now. Go to the boAt website and Amazon and get it for just $899. That's a pretty great deal. That's pretty much it for this video. Do like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one.